Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is November 15th, 2025, and we're diving into Iterum Therapeutics' third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, can you give us a brief overview of Iterum Therapeutics and their recent activities?
Thank you. Iterum Therapeutics is a pharmaceutical company focused on developing antibiotics for infections caused by multi-drug resistant pathogens. Recently, they launched ORLYNVAH, a novel oral antibiotic for uncomplicated urinary tract infections in the U.S. This is a significant milestone as it's the first new branded launch in this space in over 25 years.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financials. Iterum reported a net revenue of $0.4 million for Q3 2025. However, they also reported a net loss of $9 million. John, how does this compare to expectations?
Iterum's revenue primarily comes from the initial sales of ORLYNVAH. The net loss is larger than expected, with an adjusted EPS of -16 missing the forecast of -. This reflects the costs associated with the product launch and increased selling, general, and administrative expenses.
Product launch and market impact. ORLYNVAH was launched in August 2025. What impact has this had on Iterum's market position and future sales expectations?
The launch of ORLYNVAH is a strategic move for Iterum, addressing a critical need in the uUTI market. The company expects sales to grow significantly in 2026, ranging from $5 million to $15 million, depending on market uptake and payer coverage. This product could position Iterum as a key player in the antibiotic market.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Iterum has extended its cash runway into the second quarter of 2026. How are they managing their operational expenses?
Iterum has $11 million in cash and has raised additional funds through an at-the-market offering. They've managed to reduce R&D expenses to $1.3 million, focusing resources on the commercialization of ORLYNVAH. However, SG&A expenses have increased to $6.5 million due to the launch, which is expected as they build their market presence.